Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Advocate Jayashree's Musings on Law. I was just making a video for my other channel, hashtag Wise Grapevine. That's also on YouTube. If in case any of you would like to take a look into it, the channel is WISE Wise Grapevine, GRAPEVINE. I talk about all things sundry there, so with an interesting take on everything. So probably you can just take a look into it. While I was making a video for that particular channel, a thought just crossed my mind. Why don't I use this for my channel on law as well? Where I teach I don't teach, where I give explanation about very basic things about law and the latest judgments. So this is the channel for that, Advocate Jayashree's Musings on Law. So I was just thinking about that and the thought occurred, and then here I am going to talk about the law of attraction in legal field. Now when we say law of attraction, obviously it refers to something else. All of us know what it is. But when it comes to law, do you think there is a law of attraction in the legal field? I don't speak about human beings, lawyers, judges, nobody related to the legal field. But what I am going to tell you about is the law of attraction in law itself. Okay, it is actually very commonplace, but probably any of us would have thought about it. That's a bit rare. Until this thought crossed my mind rather. Even I did not think about it all these years, though I've been in the field for so many years. It just never crossed my mind. So, the law of attraction in law. How can we look at it? How do we look at it? Law has certain premises, the reasons, the cause of action as we call it. Reason for a dispute to arise, reason for a case to be filed before the court of law or before the arbitration or before the tribunal, whatever it is. Right? So for everything, so when we say law of attraction in law, what do we mean? Law of attraction is very simple in law, in fact better and easier to understand than the other facets of law of attraction. Because where there is a reason for a dispute, there is an action to be taken as against the reason. If there is a dispute regarding property, so what will the law of attraction in law say? You will have to go in for an arbitration, or you can settle the matter among the family members, or you can go to the court and file a case. If there is a crime which has happened, which is the reason, then the case will be filed, the police will investigate the result I am saying about. The police will investigate, they will file an FIR, then action will be taken against the accused after due trial, of course. Same way, where there is a dispute, say for example a very simple thing, there is a family dispute, not necessary that the family should go in for a partition or a civil case against the partition or anything to do with that particular property, civil case regarding property among family members. Okay, if it is not only among family members, even if it is between strangers, say for example a builder promised to give the apartment, the flat, within say 2 years of the sale agreement or the initial procedure, but the builder has not given it, then that's the reason for the dispute, which starts the law of attraction. So what are the consequences of this particular attraction? Say that is the dispute, right, between the builder and the individual. So what will be the consequence to that? The consequence, what will it attract? To be put in better words, what will the dispute between the builder and the purchaser attract? The builder and the purchaser, the dispute will attract either a case, which is most common, it can be a consumer case or it can be a civil case, or even sometimes it can be fraud if it involves large scale cheating in the sense not doing the duty properly, trying to cheat the other person, play fraud on the other person. So it will attract either a civil case or a criminal case or a consumer case, but whatever it is, or it can even attract arbitration, it can even attract out of court settlement between the parties to the dispute, it can attract anything. So this is just a simple example of how law of attraction works in law. If it is a crime which has been committed, obviously it will attract police investigation, FIRs, and then the case by itself. So these are all some things which just crossed my mind while I was talking about law of attraction in my other channel, and I just wanted to share this here because it would be quite interesting to know that law of attraction works even in the legal field, right? So I just wanted to tell that. Thank you.